Woo! Ah!
Ah!
Bros in the woods. We've been stuck on top of Mount Kanukistan
For over a year.
for over a year.
Got some firewood.
So long that I've grown a beard. It takes me a long time to grow a beard.
Our wood's rotten.
Oh, rotten firewood again! I told you to find some good firewood
Well, that's definitely rotten.
so we can cook that squirrel.
Woo! Good luck burning that. Okay.
Maybe we could eat it.
Like beef jerky?
I'm so hungry. Roast rotted wood sounds delicious.
We make soup out of it.
Rotten wood soup. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Oh, is this even the way? I definitely don't see any orange blazes that could help. I can't see anything. The sun's going down. What was that?
A bear.
Oh, it's a bear!
I'm gonna die out here. I've been out here for years! Help!
No food! No food!
I got gum.
I wonder what roast Aaron would taste like.
You have to kill me first.
Just a bite of your arm.
You sound like a cannibal. What are they called?
Spit it out.
What are they called?
I can see my breath now. Oh, I've been better. How about you?
Oh, I'm delighted.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, taking a break in the little tree fort thing here.
I can't feel my arms.
Me neither. That's a good sign, though, I think.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo.
You're a little red.
A little bit.
And there he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Up, up, and away. You know, having been exposed now to the frigid cold wind up here, my arms are actually starting to feel very warm. I think that's a bad sign. I'm not quite sure what it means. Frostbite, frostnip, frosted flakes. I don't really know. But the Aaron has made it to the tower, and so shall we. And that is where we shall have some beef jerky and goldfish. Ah! Jack Legs, the unofficial non-sponsor of Bros in the Woods. Ah! Ah! Vitamin C's! That's what the Arnold eats, nothing but 'em. So now it's time for Bros in the Woods trivia. Arnold,
What?
you are the special guest on today's Bros in the Woods trivia.
Yeah, I always am.
Well, there's nobody else. First question. What was the worst Bros in the Woods experience ever?
None!
None! Ah! Nothing?
Ah!
There you go. None, that's right. They're all good.
They are. They might be a little risky, but they're all good.
Question 2.
Okay?
What was the best Bros in the Woods experience?
Oh, probably the snow.
The snow!
That and the 80 miles an hour wind.
80 miles an hour winds! It's no go without the snow!
Woo. I can feel my arms again.
Yeah! We do have arms. Question 3. What would life be without Bros in the Woods? Boring. Boring! Woo! And that is trivia with Bros in the Woods. Thanks for joining us today.